Bonjour.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Meg's Venture TV. In today's lesson, we'll be learning how to count in French from 1 to 100, whether you're shopping, telling time, or just practicing your French. Knowing numbers is super useful. By the end of this video, you'll be confident in counting like a true francophone. Let's get started. Let's begin with the basics numbers 1 to 10. Repeat after me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Perfect. Keep it up. Now, let's move to numbers 11 to 20. These numbers are unique, so listen closely.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Awesome! Next are the tens, 30, 40, 50, and so on. Let's learn their names first.
30, 40, 50, 60.
Now, here's the trick. To form numbers like 31 to 69, just combine the tens and ones. 31 is.
31,
It is 30 and 1. Let's start counting.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59.
Cultural tip. Here's a fun fact. In France, prices are written with commas instead of decimal points. So, this means €2.50. If you're enjoying these lessons, like this video and subscribe for more practical French tutorials. Let's continue.
61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69.
French has a unique way of counting beyond 60. Let's take a look. Now, let's talk about some unique numbers in French. 70, 80, and 90. These numbers are different from English because French uses a math-based system. Don't worry, it's fun once you get the hang of it. In French, 70 isn't its own word like in English. Instead, it's built using 60 plus 10. Let me explain. The word for 60 is
60,
and the word for 10 is
10,
So, to say 70 in French, we combine them.
70,
It literally means 60 plus 10. 71 is.
71,
Notice the word.
et
It means and. Say it with me.
71,
Now, let's continue and repeat after me.
72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79.
Next, we have 80. In French, 80 is expressed as,
80,
which literally means 4 times 20. Let's break it down. The word
4,
means 4, and
20,
means 20. Together, we get
80,
81. We say
81,
4 times 20 plus 1. Now, let's continue and repeat after me.
81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89.
Social etiquette and numbers. When greeting people or meeting new people, the number 2 comes up frequently, as it is often a sign of respect to offer a handshake or a kiss on each cheek, depending on the region. In French, people usually count kisses when greeting. In Paris, people might give 2 kisses, while in the south of France, it's often 3 kisses. The number of kisses varies depending on the region. Let's continue. Finally, let's look at 90. In French, 90 is expressed as
90,
or 4 times 20 plus 10. Sounds tricky? Let me simplify. The word
4,
means 4,
20,
means 20, and
10,
means 10. Combine them, and we get.
90,
Repeat after me.
91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99,
And the last,
100.
100. Today, we learned how to count from 1 to 100 in French. Remember, practice is key, so try counting out loud every day. Which French number do you find the hardest to pronounce? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
Merci beaucoup et à bientôt.